Hello everyone, welcome to Surya Creative Network. Today we're going to talk about Bharat Ratna awardees. The Bharat Ratna is the highest civilian award in the Republic of India. C. Rajagopalachari was awarded the Bharat Ratna in 1954. He was born in Thorapalli village in Tamil Nadu. He was known as Rajaji or CR. He was an Indian politician, independence activist, lawyer, writer, historian, and statesman. Rajaji was the last governor of India, as India soon became a republic in 1950. Rajagopalachari founded the Swatantra Party. Salvapalli Radhakrishnan received the Bharat Ratna Award in 1954. He was born in Tiruvallur district of Tamil Nadu. He was an Indian philosopher, academic and statesman. He served as the first Vice President of India. His birthday is celebrated in India as Teachers' Day on 5th September every year. C.V. Raman was awarded the Bharat Ratna in 1954. He was born in Tiruchirappalli, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. In 1928, he and his fellow scientists independently discovered the Great Raman effect. In 1930, he was nominated for Nobel Prize. Dr. Bhagwan Das received the Bharat Ratna in 1955. He was born in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. He was an Indian theosophist and scholar of Sanskrit. He wrote many books. Many of these were in Sanskrit and Hindi. He served in the Central Legislative Assembly of British India. He founded the Kashi Vidyapith, a national university. Shri M. Vishveshwaraya received the Bharat Ratna in 1955. He was born in Mundenhalli of Mysore Kingdom. He was an eminent engineer and played an important role in building modern India. He was a chief architect behind the construction of Krishna Raja Sagar Dam. His birthday is celebrated as Engineers Day. Jawaharlal Nehru received the Bharat Ratna in 1955. He was born in Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh. Pandit Nehru served as the Prime Minister of the Republic India. His birthday is celebrated as Children's Day on 14th November. Nehru was fondly called as Chacha Nehru by children. So thank you for watching our video. Please hit the like button, and if you like this video, subscribe it and click the bell icon so you get tuned about my channel. For then, bye.